Hi everyone, welcome back with me Muhammad Haziq, and in this video I want to guide all the mathematics teachers that have seen my page about how to use ClassDojo in teaching mathematics especially. So ClassDojo is the classroom platform like other classroom platforms such as Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams classroom. So there are few steps you must to follow to sign in or log in or sign up as the teacher. If you don't have any ClassDojo account before this, just click the sign up button and fill the thing that they want. But I already have the ClassDojo account, so I just log in as the teacher and just put your email and password that they have been linked with the ClassDojo. Wait, I will log in with my account. Put your email and password to log in into the ClassDojo. So click login, and this is the interface of ClassDojo. If you can see, you can add many class. Depends on how many class that you have you teach. So for example, I click my class for example demo class. So you can see there are 5 students in this class. So the features that I have is timer, random group maker, noise meter, direction, and many more that you can use to make your class become more happy and interesting. So that you can also take the attendance by just using demo class. So you can also give the feedback to the student by click on the whole class or click on only click at the student. So I undo. So you can also chat message with other staff or with the student parents to inform them about their son. Beside that, you also can this is the section that you can put your content of your class. So this is how to give the feedback to your only one student. For example, I click working hard to Jennifer, and it will get 2 points. So that you can also connect with their parent in their class by add their parent email or phone number, and this is make their parent become more know about their son. And you can see there are many resources that have been provided, such as ClassDojo training, classroom decoration pack, and many more. And I think this is this only thing that I want you to know about ClassDojo. I hope you will teach your student by using ClassDojo after this. Thank you.